What's up my friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the basement of the Cancan, the bar where we've been shooting our videos for the past few months. But right now, it's closed. And I'm alone. It's pretty dark, and the guys told me that there are some ghosts sometimes. It's actually quite spooky. But I love it, and I'm sure it's gonna be perfect for our 3 last-minute Halloween cocktails. So let's go. The first cocktail that we're gonna make today is a riff on the Chartreuse Swizzle, but this one has more autumn flair than the original one, and it also has a little spooky look, so it's perfect for Halloween. So what you're gonna need is Yellow Chartreuse, pure pressed apple juice, freshly squeezed lime juice, and Peychaud bitters. First, in a highball glass, you're gonna pour 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of Yellow Chartreuse, 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of your apple juice, and 1 ounce or 30 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then you're gonna fill your glass halfway up with crushed ice, and with a swizzle stick or a bar spoon, you're gonna swizzle for a few seconds to incorporate all the ingredients together to chill and dilute your cocktail. Then you're gonna fill your glass all the way up with more crushed ice, place a straw, and top it up with a few dashes of Peychaud bitters. For the garnish, a lime wheel cut into next to the straw, and there we go. This is how we make the blood drip swizzle. Cheers. This is pure fall in a glass. You get tons of herbal flavors from the chartreuse, beautiful sweetness balanced by the acidity, and then the apple notes are coming a little bit after. And because of the lime juice, it tastes almost like Granny Smith apples. It's really tangy. It's lovely, I love it. And then if you stir a little bit the bitter in the cocktail, it dries the cocktail furthermore. It's really, really nice. And also, looks pretty spooky, no? I love it. Now let's make the second cocktail. Let's make a riff on the Corpse Reviver #2. Second cocktail, Corpse Reviver #2. Almost like I thought this one through. I didn't. Let's do it. The Corpse Reviver #2 has nothing to do with Halloween except for his name, but because of it, many times it has a place of choice in Halloween cocktail compilation. So today we're gonna make one, but we're gonna make a slight riff on it to make it look more Halloween-esque. So what you're gonna need is dry gin, Lillet Blanc, Cointreau, absinthe, and lemon juice. Then to make it look a little more Halloween-esque, we're gonna make a cool garnish on it, and what you're gonna need for this one is crème de cassis, Sucro, which is alcohol emulsifier, and water. If you don't know where to get Sucro, don't worry, there's gonna be a link in the description below. So we're gonna start with that little cool garnish, and what you're gonna do is first, in a highball glass, you're gonna pour 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of crème de cassis, 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of Sucro. Then with a milk former, you're gonna whisk until it forms a nice and airy foam, and you're gonna set that aside until you're ready to use it. So now to make the cocktail, we're gonna start in a cocktail shaker with 1 ounce or 30 ml of gin, 1 ounce or 30 ml of Cointreau, 1 ounce or 30 ml of Lillet Blanc, and 1 ounce or 30 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You're gonna fill your shaker with ice and give it a good shake for about 10 seconds. Then with a small atomizer, you're gonna spray some absinthe inside your chilled cocktail coupe, and you're gonna fine strain your cocktail in it. Then you're gonna take your crème de cassis foam, and with a spoon, you're simply gonna layer a little bit on top. And if you want, you can make some little spikes to make it look like it's a little devil. And this is how we make our little spooky riff on the Corpse Reviver #2. Corpse Reviver #2 is one of my favorite classic cocktails of all time. And here, we're no far from the classic version, but on the nose, it's slightly different. We're more fruity than herbaceous because the cassis takes over the absinthe on the nose. And you also add a tad bit of sweetness on the palate, which I think is very appreciable in this cocktail because it is actually quite a dry drink. So this way, I love it. It tastes great and it looks awesome. But now let's make the last cocktail of the day. Let's go. Lastly, we're gonna make a smoky Rabo de Galo. This is a cocktail that many of you asked me to make on the channel. Today is the day, but we're gonna make it smoky because it tastes great and it also makes it look a little spooky, perfect for Halloween. So what you're gonna need is Aged Cachaça, Sweet Vermouth, Cynar, grapefruit hop bitters, and a smoking device. First, in a mixing glass, I'm gonna pour 2 ounces or 60 ml of Aged Cachaça, 3/4 ounce or 22.5 mils of Sweet Vermouth, 3/4 ounce or 22.5 mils of Cynar, and 2 dashes of grapefruit hopped bitters. You're gonna fill your mixing glass with ice and stir it for about 60 revolutions. And then you're gonna smoke it with a smoking device of your choice. Once this is done, you're gonna strain that over a big block of clear ice, and for the final touch, you're gonna express some lime oil over the cocktail and garnish the drink with the zest. And there you go, the smoked Rabo de Galo. Cheers. Hi. This is such a wonderful cocktail. The Rabo de Galo, just like that, the classic version is already an amazing cocktail. The Aged Cachaça with its vegetal and oaky notes is a perfect candidate for this Boulevardier-like cocktail, and then with the smokiness that's added makes it very multi-dimensional. It goes so well together. It is an awesome cocktail. I love it, and I hope you're gonna love it too. So my friends, this is it for me today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're gonna have a great Halloween, and let me know in the comments below what's gonna be your Halloween outfit this year, because I need some inspiration. So again, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you go, to hit that like if you like this video, turn the bell on if you want to make sure not to miss the next one, and until then, happy Halloween and see you very soon. Cheers.